This is Martha. For her, having a child is an ethical dilemma. She's afraid to bring life into this uncertain world. But there is hope for those who dream, like Asher. He believes it will be young people leading the change towards a more sustainable future. So did 5,178 other young people, like Fatima, who dreams of one day producing everything she eats. And Isaac and Anna, who dream of a house in the countryside. Prani, who belongs to the 40% that predicts fast fashion will be dead come 2030. And Ashley, who believes the true smart home is about minimizing energy use. This is the future generation who will live with the consequences of our actions today.